Hello and welcome to Easy Cooking. Today we're making lunch for my kids and I'm making a traditional Bulgarian biscuit with hot dog that they love a lot. We'll start with our main ingredient, which is yogurt. We're making everything from scratch today. So we're not getting any hot dog dough from the store. We're gonna prepare everything ourselves. We'll put some feta cheese in the mix. We'll put some shredded cheddar cheese in the mix. And of course, the rest of our dry ingredients: sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda. And we will mix everything together. You don't have to mix too much because we're going to be adding the flour here in a second. This is what it looks like so far. The recipe takes anywhere, almost forgot actually our oil. Just a little bit, not a whole lot. Finish mixing this. And actually, before we continue, I will start my oven on 375. Actually, we'll start the other one. While the oven is warming up, we'll finish our biscuits. So like I said, the recipe takes approximately 4 to 6 cups of flour. We'll start with 4. We'll add the other 2 as needed. It's not exactly quite a science, so you just need to make sure you get a decent dough that does not stick to your fingers. So we'll stop here. And we'll mix. I always start mixing with the spoon. No reason to get your hands in there until it's more the consistency of dough. Okay, now that it looks mostly like this, we are going to get rid of the spoon since we don't need it anymore. And now we're going to start mixing a little more. It's going to be a little sticky at first. That's how you know that you need to add a little more flour to the mixture. Make sure your dough does not come out too hard, or your biscuits are not going to rise up too much. And that's it, your dough is ready. When you're done, it kind of looks like this. It's got some chunks because of the cheese, so don't worry about that. We will take our cookie sheet that we'll be baking our biscuits in. And the next step would be to get some hot dogs. We'll cut them in approximately 3 parts. I don't like to make the pieces too big. And I like to put about 2 pieces of hot dog per biscuit. The size of your biscuit is really up to you. Actually, if you make it a little smaller, 1 hot dog piece should be good, but again, I like mine with a little extra hot dog. Form a nice ball. Make sure you have enough dough to cover your hot dogs. And your biscuit should look like something like this. We'll arrange them. Again, I like to make sure there's enough space between all of your biscuits because they will rise a little bit from the baking soda and baking powder. Our oven has warmed up, so I will go ahead and put them in. I will start with about half an hour and we'll add more time as needed. You just want to make sure they're golden brown on top and you don't want to burn them. So now we're gonna do whatever we want to do. Probably I'll do my dishes real quick, and in 30 minutes I'll check on my biscuits. If they need some more time, I will add it up to a full hour. Make sure they're fully cooked. We don't want raw biscuits. So I will be back with you in a few minutes. So it's been 30 minutes and I believe my biscuits are ready. Of course, we are going to check them with a toothpick to make sure. And we're good. So our biscuits are ready. This is what they're supposed to look like. I will take a few and I'll show you. I'll cut one open to kind of show you what it looks like. And this is it. And my young one is ready to eat, so I will let you enjoy yours. And until next time.